This is Rich Carrozza with Roof It Forward, attempting a repair. The address is for Chad Douglas and Allstate, and this is the repair on the front of the roof. So now that we've removed the shingle, we're gonna reinstall it as if it would be a new one to show that we would be repairing this damaged shingle here. So, in doing this repair, we replaced this shingle here, but as you can see, we've creased this shingle. We've creased these shingles. So these are now damaged shingles, which in turn we would have to replace these and then damage these. And the reason we go 2 above is because that's where the nails go, but it also decreases the amount for damage. So this obviously fails a brittle test and it fails a repair test. And just in case temperature is an issue. It's 50 degrees right now, so it's plenty warm, and these are still failing a test. So thank you.